If you are buying into a sectional title or you are buying a property in a gated community, please make sure that you make provision for both rates and taxes and levies. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is a sectional title property? A sectional title property is when you are buying into a scheme, a sectional title scheme. So this could be a complex that you are buying into, and you now own a unit within that complex. So meaning that you'll be sharing your space with a number of owners, but you guys will then share the common areas such as the clubhouse, the security booth when you come into the development, or the play area. And it might be that you are buying a standalone house, so you have your own title deed, but you're still part of a gated community. So meaning that you guys share the common areas as well. So there will be a clubhouse, there will be a security guard that now mans the development or the complex itself. So at times you find that people don't make financial provisions for both of these two things, because they also have two different functions. The levies are the ones that you now pay towards the upkeep of the development. So normally within that there will be a body corporate. So you as an owner will be part of that. Of course, just to make sure that you guys come to a consensus around what should be happening within your complex. Now these days you find that there is a managing agent. So there are companies that basically would run things like making sure that they pay the security guard, they do the financials, they pay the water and electricity, they pay the insurances. So at the end of the day, that makes it much easier for the owners, because now you guys don't have to now worry about all this administrative stuff now to make sure that everything goes according to plan. So now that is the side of the levies. And the rates and taxes, this is where you now pay the local municipalities, because again, we need to pay our property taxes and everything else that we need to be accountable to the government in order to get service delivery. So please make sure that you make those provisions before you make that purchase, because if you don't, you're going to find yourself in trouble. And from a registration perspective, it's also very imperative to understand that where are you supposed to now register for the rates and taxes account, because that needs to be registered as soon as your property is registered. And of course, the levies, you will get that communication from your body corporate or from the managing agent, to make sure that at the end of the day, that